Hello everyone, am I audible? Hello everyone, am I audible? Please let me know. Okay, so on behalf of Intelletics, I welcome you all for the paper solving session for 10th standard ICSE Chemistry, the third paper solving session. Hope you have attended the first two. If not, please go to the channel's playlist and find out the first two paper solving sessions that have been already done. Friends, tomorrow I want you all to go with the confidence and appear for this 10th standard chemistry board paper. So this will help in building up your confidence. As I said earlier, we have total 10 papers to solve, of which right now we are taking up the third paper. So we begin with this question number 1. What do you observe when caustic soda solution is added to the following solution? First a little and then in excess in copper sulfate. I repeat the question. What do you observe when caustic soda solution is added to the following solution? First a little and then in excess in copper sulfate. And your options are A. A pale blue precipitate of copper hydroxide is obtained, which is insoluble in excess of caustic soda solution. B. A pale blue precipitate of copper hydroxide is obtained, which is soluble in excess of caustic soda solution. C. A white precipitate of copper hydroxide is obtained, which is insoluble in excess of caustic soda solution. D. A white precipitate of copper hydroxide is obtained, which is soluble in excess of caustic soda solution. So, what do you observe when caustic soda solution is added, first a little and then in excess of copper sulfate solution? And the correct answer for this question is A. A pale blue precipitate of copper hydroxide is obtained, which is insoluble in excess of caustic soda solution. CuSO4 plus 2NaOH becomes CuOH twice plus Na2SO4, wherein CuOH twice will be settling down as a precipitate. Question number 2. If relative molecular mass of a gas is 38, what will be its vapor density? A. 76, B. 19, C. 40, D. 0. So, if relative molecular mass of a gas is 38, what will be its vapor density? And the correct answer for this question is 19. So from the relation, relative molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. So 38 is equal to 2 into vapor density, that is 19. Coming to the next question number 3. Which of the following is a weak electrolyte? A. HCl, B. Nitric acid, C. Oxalic acid, D. Sulfuric acid. Which of this is a weak electrolyte? So answer me for question number 3. Which of these is a weak electrolyte? So the correct answer for this is nitric acid. Nitric acid is a weak electrolyte, whereas the others are strong electrolytes. Coming to the next question number 4. The cell which converts electrical energy into chemical energy is called as dash. A. Electrochemical cell. B. Electrolytic cell. C. Electrodes. D. Secondary cell. So answer me for question number 4. The cell which converts electrical energy into chemical energy is dash. So the correct answer for this is electrolytic cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy. So the cell which converts electrical energy into chemical energy is electrolytic cell. Coming to the next question number 5. In which of the following molecule double bond is present? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Fluorine. D. Neon. So in which of these double bond is present? Is it nitrogen? Is it oxygen? Is it fluorine? Yeah, is it neon? A double bond is present. And the correct answer for this question is B, oxygen. Formation of oxygen molecule can be represented as this. You can look on the screen. So it is oxygen. You can see this. You can zoom in the screen and see. Okay. So it's oxygen. Coming to the next question number 6. Which acid is used in eye wash? A. Citric acid. B. Tartaric acid. C. Acetic acid. D. Boric acid. Which of these acids is used in eye wash? Answer me fast for question number 6. And the correct answer for this question is D. Boric acid. Yes, Reshma, Jatinder Singh, Arushisha, आप सही हो. Question number 7. Which of the following is correct statement? A. Sodium is smaller in size than lithium. B. Chlorine has more electron affinity than sulfur. C. Calcium has higher value of ionization potential than magnesium. D. Alkali metals are not lustrous. So which of this is the correct statement? And the correct answer, the correct statement among these four will be B. Chlorine has more electron affinity than sulfur. As the atomic size increases down the group, so sodium is larger in size than lithium. Keep this in mind. Question number 8. On adding ammonia hydroxide solution to a solution of salt, a dirty green precipitate appears. This precipitate, however, remains insoluble on addition of an excess of ammonia solution. Which metal solution is present? A. Sodium, B. Zinc, C. Iron, D. Aluminium. So answer me for question number 8. Think over and answer me fast. So the answer for this question is C. Iron. When ferrous sulfate is added to ammonia hydroxide solution, a dirty green precipitate of FeOH twice is formed, which is insoluble in excess of alkali. Almost everybody, all the students have got it right. I'm very happy. Question number 9. The empirical formula of a compound is CH and its molecular mass is 78. So its molecular formula is dash. A. C2H4, B. C4H8, C. C6H6, D. C2H2. So think about the empirical formula of the compound is CH. Its molecular mass is 78, so its molecular formula would be dash. Answer me fast for question number 9. So the correct answer for question number 9 is C. That is C6H6. Because the molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Now the empirical formula mass that is given can be calculated because it's CH. So it's 12 plus 1, that is 13. And the molecular mass is 78. So N will be equal to 6. This is how you will calculate it. Question number 10. What will be the color of salt formed when NaOH is treated with aluminium oxide? A. Green, B. White, C. Brown, D. Red. So what will be the color of the salt formed when NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, is treated with aluminium oxide? And the correct answer for question number 10 should be white. When NaOH is treated with aluminium oxide, a white salt, sodium meta-aluminate, is formed. Question number 11. What is the empirical formula of a compound containing 60.0% of nitrogen and 40.0% of oxygen by mass? A. NO2, B. NO3, C. N3O, D. N2O. So what is the empirical formula of the compound containing 60.0% of nitrogen and 40.0% of oxygen by mass? What should be the answer for question number 11? And the correct answer for question number 11 should be, come on, answer. It's D, that is N2O. Now look on the screen. How do we find the empirical formula? The first step in this problem is to change the percentage to grams. So 60% is equal to 60 grams and 40% is equal to 40 grams. Okay, so next divide all the given masses by their molecular mass. That is, N is equal to 60 by 14, that is equal to 4.2. O is equal to 40 by 16, that is equal to 2.5. Then pick the smallest answer from the previous step and divide all the answers by that. So 4.2 by 2.5 is approximately 2. 2.5 by 2.5 is equal to 1. So thus the answer is N2O. I hope this you have understood. Friends, you can take the screenshot of the same so that you will remember this and you won't go wrong anywhere. So please take the screenshot. This will help you for sure if you are stuck up somewhere. Okay. Going ahead to question number 12. Which of the following is a non-electrolyte? A. HCl, B. Acetic acid, C. Kerosene, D. NaCl. So which of this is a non-electrolyte? Which of this is a non-electrolyte? And the correct answer for this question is kerosene. Correct Arushi Shah, correct Reshma S. Perfect answer, bacha. The compounds which do not allow the electric current to pass through them, neither in solution nor in molten state, are known as non-electrolytes. Correct Kanak Kapil, आप भी सही हो. Question number 13. If we are given two test tubes marked as A and B, and in first test tube NH4OH solution is taken and in another NaOH solution is taken, which salt is used to identify them? A. Zinc salt, B. Iron salt, C. Calcium salt, D. Copper salt. And the correct answer for this question should be, yes, calcium salt. Correct Arushi Shah, correct Kanak Kapil. Calcium salt gives white precipitate with NaOH, whereas no precipitate is formed with ammonium hydroxide. Now, question number 14. What will be the molecular formula of a compound with vapor density 15 and empirical formula CH2O? I repeat, what will be the molecular formula of a compound with vapor density 15 and empirical formula CH2O? And your options are A. C2H4O2, B. C6H12O12, C. CH2O, D. C6H6O. And the correct answer for this question is CH2O. Friends, remember the empirical formula given is CH2O. Vapor density given is 15. So the empirical formula weight is 12 plus 2 plus 16. That is equal to 30. Now, molecular weight is equal to vapor density into 2. So that is equal to 2 into 15. That is equal to 30. Now, N is equal to molecular weight upon empirical formula weight. So it is going to be equal to 30 upon 30, and that is going to be equal to 1. Thus, molecular formula and empirical formula would be the same. So, Kanat, Kapil and Reshma, बच्चा आप गलत गए हो इस क्वेश्चन में. Arushi Shah, you were right. Okay. So, you please remember the way it is being solved. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this so that you can exactly think over and answer such type of questions tomorrow if they are asked. Going ahead to question number 15. Which is the most reactive halogen among the following? A. Fluorine, B. Chlorine, C. Iodine, D. Bromine. So, which is the most reactive halogen among the following? And the correct answer for this is A. Fluorine. Correct. Kanak Kapil, correct. Because the reactivity of fluorine is going to be maximum and then it decreases down the group. Question number 16. Which of the following is true for alkali metals? A. Strong oxidizing agent. B. Weak reducing agent. C. Strong reducing agent. D. Weak oxidizing agent. So, which of the following is true for alkali metals? Question number 16. And the correct answer for this question should be C. So, strong reducing agent. This is something which holds true for alkali metals. That is, alkali metals are strong reducing agents because they can donate electrons. Going again to question number 17. The electrode connected to positive terminal of the battery is called as dash. Quite an easier question. A. Cathode. B. Anode. C. Electrode. D. None of these. And the correct answer for this question should be quite an easier question is anode. Anode is the electrode which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. And the one which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is cathode. So almost everybody, Arushi, Kavya, Kanak, Reshma, सबको आंसर करेक्ट मिला है. Question number 18. Which of the following is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of lead bromide? A. Pb, B. Br2, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. So answer me for question number 18. Which of this is obtained at anode during the electrolysis of lead bromide? And the correct answer for this question, yes, Kanak Kapil, perfect answer, it's B. At cathode, lead ions accept electrons and become lead. At anode, bromide ions lose electrons and become bromine. Kavya bacha aap galat gaye. Please check. Question number 19. What is the value of N if molecular mass is 348 and empirical formula of the compound is C2H2O2? A. Is it 2? B. Is it 6? C. Is it 9? D. Is it 10? And the correct answer for this question is, anybody? Any guesses? Kanak? Bacha galat gave up. The answer is B, that is 6. Try to understand. The empirical formula mass is equal to here 12 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 16 into 2. Okay, that is C2H2O2. So 12 into 2 for carbon, 1 into 2 for hydrogen, 16 into 2 for oxygen. Okay, so that becomes 58. 12 plus 2 plus 32. So N is equal to 348 by 58. That is equal to 6. Coming to the next, that is question number 20. What is the color of NaOH in phenolphthalein? A. Red. B. Pink. C. Green. D. Blue. What is the color of NaOH in phenolphthalein? So tell me, what is the color of NaOH in phenolphthalein? And the correct answer for question number 20 is B, that is pink. Coming to the next question number 21. Which of the following is true for alkali metals? A. Strong oxidizing agent. B. Weak reducing agent. C. Strong reducing agent. D. Weak oxidizing agent. I think this question is repeated. And the correct answer for this question for alkali metals, it's a strong reducing agent. Alkali metals are strong reducing agents because they can donate electrons. Question number 22. Which of the following can be extracted by reducing agents like carbon, carbon monoxide, etc.? A. Is it potassium? B. Is it zinc? C. Is it magnesium? D. Is it Au? And the correct answer for this question should be zinc. Zinc, iron, lead, and mercury are extracted by reducing agents like carbon, carbon monoxide, etc. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is zinc. Coming to the next, question number 23. Salts of which elements are generally colored? And your options are A. Transition, B. Normal, C. Lanthanides, D. Inner transition. So salts of which elements are generally colored? So come on friends, answer me for question number 23. Salts of which elements are generally colored? And the correct answer for this question is A. Correct. Kanak Kapil, Reshma S. Correct. Transition. Yes, correct. Samna Deshpande. Correct. Transition salts have one or more unpaired electrons which jump on to the higher energy level when they receive light. Thus, these transitional salts absorb radiations and produce colorful compounds. So, this is the reason why transition elements are generally colored. Coming to the next question, number 24. If two compounds have the same empirical formula but different molecular formula, they must have dash. A. Different percentage combination. B. Different molecular weights. C. Same viscosity. D. Same vapor density. Sorry. So the answer for question number 24 has to be B. So if two compounds have the same empirical formula but different molecular formula, they must have different molecular weights. Since the molecular formula is n times the empirical formula, therefore different compounds having the same empirical formula must have different molecular weights. Coming to the next question, number 25. Which one of the following salt solutions on reaction with excess of ammonium hydroxide solution gives a deep blue solution? A. FeCl3 in aqueous form. B. Copper sulfate in aqueous form. C. Al2SO4 3 in aqueous form. D. ZnSO4 in aqueous form. And the correct answer for this question should be B. Copper sulfate. C. Cupric ions in aqueous form react with twice of NH3, that is ammonium ions in aqueous forms, plus water. It produces CuOH twice in solid form plus NH4 in aqueous form. The precipitate dissolves in excess ammonia to form a dark blue complex ion. Coming to the next question, number 26. When two compounds R and S have same percentage composition, then the compound R and S are dash. I repeat the question. When two compounds R and S have same percentage composition, then the compounds R and S are dash. And your options are A. Identical, B. Isomer, C. Either identical or isomer, D. All are correct. Give me the answer fast. And the correct answer for this question is D. All are correct. See, converse of the law of definite proportion is not true. For example, butane and isobutane have same percentage composition. Acetylene and benzene have same percentage composition. Coming to the next question number 27. Halogens are dash. A. Strong oxidizing agent. B. Weak reducing agent. C. Strong reducing agent. D. Weak oxidizing agent. So halogens are dash. And the correct answer for this question is A. Halogens are strong oxidizing agents as they can accept electrons. Yes, very good. Samana, Deshpande, Kanak Kapil, Reshma. Perfect answer, Bacha. Arushi, correct. Coming to the next question, number 28. An element having atomic number 70 and belongs to halogens is dash. A. Is it lithium? B. Fluorine? C. Potassium? D. Chlorine? So an element having atomic number 17 and which belongs to halogens is dash. And the correct answer for this question is D. Chlorine. Correct, Arushi Shah, Reshma, Samna, correct. So chlorine is atomic number 17 and it belongs to halogens. Coming to the next question, number 29. How many electrons are required by oxygen atom to attain nearest noble gas configuration? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. So what should be the answer for this question? How many electrons are required by oxygen atom to attain nearest noble gas configuration? And the correct answer is 2. That is 29th answer is B. See, atomic number of oxygen is 8. So its electronic configuration is 2, 6. Hence it needs 2 electrons to complete its octet. Question number 30. Which of the following is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder and in softening of hard water? A. NaOH, B. CaOH twice, C. KOH, D. MgOH twice. And the correct answer for this question would be CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide, is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder as well as in softening of hard water. Coming to the next question, number 31. If electrons are added to an atom, it is dash. A. Oxidized. B. Reduced. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. So if electrons are added to an atom, it is dash. So what should be the answer for question number 31? And the answer is B. Reduced. Reduction is gain of electrons. Thus, when electrons are added to atoms, they undergo reduction. Question number 32. Two solutions A, B, and C having pH 2, 9, and 11. So, which solution will give no color with phenolphthalein indicator? It shouldn't be two solutions, it should be three solutions A, B, and C having pH 2, 9, and 11. Which solution will give no color with phenolphthalein indicator? A. Solution A. B. Solution B. C. Solution C. D. None of these. And the correct answer for this question is A. Acids have pH value less than 8. So acids are colorless with phenolphthalein indicator. Keep this in mind. Why the answer here is A? Because acids have pH value less than 7. So the solution A was with pH 2. So that's less than 7. So acids are colorless with phenolphthalein indicator. Arushisha, you weren't sure about your answer, is it? बाकी समना देशपांडे रेशमा एस एंड कनक कपिल आप लोग सही हो एंड कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो अच्छा लगा Question number 33. NaCl conducts electricity due to presence of dash. A. Molecules. B. Ions. C. Group of atoms. D. All of these. So NaCl conducts electricity due to the presence of dash. Is it A, molecules? Is it B, ions? Is it C, group of atoms? Yeah. Is it D, all of these? And the correct answer for this question is B, that is ions. NaCl in molten state conducts electricity as it gets dissociated into Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. Going ahead to question number 34. A compound consists of non-polar molecules only. Which of the following is true regarding it? A. It forms ionic bond. B. It has high melting point. C. It is soluble in organic solvents. D. It is a conductor of electricity. And the correct answer for this question is C. A compound consists of non-polar molecules only. So what is true regarding it? So it is soluble in organic solvents. Non-polar molecules form covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are soluble in organic solvents, have low molecular weight and are non-conductors. See, we are on question number 34. Still 6 questions to go. Okay, still 6 questions to go. Question number 35. The element with lowest ionization energy among the following is dash. A. Lithium. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Rb. Rubidium. So what should be the answer? So tell me the answer for question number 35. And the answer is Rb, that is rubidium. As we move from top to bottom in the group, the ionization energy will be decreased because the atomic radius will be increased. So the removal of electron will be easy. Lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium are first A group elements. From lithium to rubidium, the ionization energy will be decreased. Thus, among these elements, rubidium has the lowest ionization energy. Question number 36. Due to the presence of strong electrostatic forces of attraction between ions, ionic compounds dash A. Have high melting and boiling points. B. Conduct electricity in the solid state. C. Dissolve in kerosene. D. All of these. And the correct answer for question number 36 is A. It is have high melting and boiling points. Although solid ionic compounds do not conduct electricity because there are no free mobile ions or electrons, so ionic compounds dissolved in water make an electrically conductive solution. Therefore, they have higher melting and boiling points compared to the covalent compounds. So keep these things in mind. Coming to the next question, number 37. Analyze the given information and answer the following questions. A is equal to Na, that is equal to 281. B is equal to Mg, that is equal to 282. C is equal to H is equal to 1. D is equal to Cl is equal to 287. Which type of bond will be formed when A and D are reacted? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Coordinate bond. D. None of these. So the answer for this question number 37A should be A, that is ionic bond, because ionic bond is formed between sodium and chlorine. Coming to the next question number 37, again the same, you have to analyze the information given, that is A is equal to Na is equal to 281, B is equal to Mg is equal to 282, C is equal to H is equal to 1, D is equal to chlorine, that is equal to 287. Now answer this question. What will be the general formula when B and D react? A. BD2, B. B2D, C. BD, D. BD4. And the correct answer for this question is A. BD2. That is magnesium and chlorine react to form MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride. So the correct answer here is BD2. Going ahead to question number 37, next question. Again the same, analyze the given information. A is equal to sodium, that is equal to 281. B is equal to magnesium, that is 282. C is equal to hydrogen, that is equal to 1. D is equal to chlorine, that is equal to 287. And answer this question number C. In the formation of CD by bonding between C and D, which is oxidized? A. Is it C? B. Is it D? C. Is it both A and B? D. None of these. And the correct answer for this question will be none of these. Try to understand a covalent bond is formed between H and Cl. That is, HCl is a covalent bond. Coming to the next, analyze this information. A is equal to Na is equal to 281. B is equal to Mg is equal to 282. C is equal to H is equal to 1. D is equal to Cl is equal to 287. And answer this question number D, that is, which one is getting reduced during the formation of A and D? I mean AD. A, is it A? B, is it D? C, is it both A and B? D, is it none of these? Answer me for question number 37D. And the correct answer for question number 37D is C, both A and B. Try to understand, during the formation of AD, that is NaCl, chloride accepts electrons, that is, it is reduced. So AD was given, right? So 281 and 287. So as per your chemistry, you know the one which accepts electrons is reduced and the one which donates electrons is oxidized. Oxidation is loss of electrons. So friends, we have solved the third paper. Okay, we have solved the third practice paper. So this paper solving session, third paper solving session gets over. Okay, very soon we will catch up for solving the fourth paper. We have 10 papers in total to solve. Okay, minimum I shall say, so that you do well tomorrow. So please stay connected and hit the bell icon. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, and spread the word about this channel to your friends, and see you soon in the fourth session. I'm not really telling you the exact time, because I know सबका lunch time हो चुका है. Many of them might be really very hungry by now. So I'm giving you enough time. If you somehow miss, please go to the playlist of the channel and then you can watch it and get ready for tomorrow. Thank you so much.